now in this video we'll make the electrical circuit depending on the position of these luminaires. So for that we'll use different kind of symbols and we'll put them in the legends. Whatever symbols we are going to use, we'll place them in the list of legends. So now we will make the connection. For that, for every room we need some switches, and for all the lighting connection we'll place a dB, lighting dB. And let's put this lighting dB. This is the gate, so let's place the dB here and rotate it RO. So we will use the lighting dB here and we'll make the connection for all the rooms from here. So let's say first of all let's place a switch here in the entrance. This is the entrance, so let's say entry. After entry, let's put it in the left side and connect. Let's take arc of color red. This is one light, this is one switch. S4 means this is a switch box with 4 switches. So S4, one switch is connected here and one switch is for these 2 lights and one switch is for these 3 lights. So there will be an extra switch left for future use. And let's take another switch box and place it here in the office. Let's say this is the entry, so we have to put this. We can use 3 switches for these 6 lights. Let's connect these 2 switches with one light. These 2 lights with one switch. These 2 lights with another switch. And for these 2 lights another switch. And we don't have any requirement for further use, so we can reduce the number of switch for this box also. So let's make this S3. So we have 3 switches for this room. For this room let's take 2 switch. This is a kitchen room This is the entry, and after entry let's put it in the right side. Let's connect this light and use one switch for these two lamps and another switch for this lamp. So like this we have to complete for the whole floor, and then we'll do the load distribution for all the lights. Let's say first of all place switch boxes for all the rooms. This is the entry, so we can place the switch here. This is the library, we can place the switch here. We need a single switch for the store. So library room is also completed now. For the general room, we don't need 4 switches, we have only one lamp, so single switch is enough. So we'll use S2. let's place exhaust fan in the kitchen and one in the toilet also. So one switch will be for the exhaust fan also, and for toilet also there should be another switch for exhaust fan. So two switches will be required for the toilet, and for kitchen, so three switches will be required. So for better visibility, we have decreased the brightness of the luminaires. Now, suppose we have a three-phase supply for this building. So if you have three-phase supply, then we will distribute the total load in three different phases equally. We'll try to balance the load. Or if we have a single phase supply, we will just connect all the rooms to the lighting DV. So let's say we have a three phase supply available here in the lighting DV. So we will try to divide the total loads into all the three phases equally. So let's say we will connect these loads in a single phase, and these loads in another phase, and this load in another phase. So let's say connect this room, incomer of this room, to this room, with this room to the kitchen. So entrance, corridor, office, kitchen, these three loads will be connected to, suppose, phase 1. Let's say and this will be coming from LDV1 red phase. So let's put it here, LDV1 red phase. So from LDV1 we'll bring the cable here in the S3, then we'll tap the power from kitchen to the office, then from the office to the entrance, and from entrance we will also connect the corridor there. So these all loads will be connected to the red phase of the lighting DV, and similarly we will connect these rooms like toilet, let's keep it yellow, toilet and library, and the general room. And the control room also. Let's connect this room also to the yellow phase. So from lighting DV we'll take the yellow phase for this room, then we'll tap this for this room. From here we'll tap the supply for the library, for the storeroom and then for the toilet room. So we will take the yellow phase, from lighting DB yellow phase. Let's rotate this. Lighting DB yellow. Change the color also. So from this DB we'll take the yellow phase and use it for this room lighting, and then from there we'll tap the yellow phase for the general room. From there we'll tap the yellow phase for the library, for the store, and for the toilet. And these two, conference room and the office 2, these two room will be connected to the blue phase. So let's take the color of the blue also. Connect this room, and from there, and here supply will be coming from LDB blue phase. Let's change the color and the name LDB blue. So the total loads will be divided into 3 phases equally. And for the lighting connection is now completed, except that we have to include some sockets for every room, like for using that for the like AC, laptops, and for other uses. We have to include sockets for every room, and we'll do that in the next video.